Jain student, today we are going to discuss the some important question in the chapter determination of income and employment. The first question, explain the meaning of excess demand. The answer for this question, meaning of excess demand, when in the economy aggregate demand is in excess of aggregate supply at full employment, means the demand is said to be excess demand. The gap is called inflationary gap. In other words, we can say that excess demand refer to the excess of aggregate demand over the available output, that is aggregate supply at full employment. The gap is called inflationary gap because it causes inflation, continuous rise in the price in the economy. So the impact of excess demand, first it causes the rise in the price. Since there is already full capacity of production, excess demand does not cause any rise in output and employment, but it lead to rise in price. Inflation, second, the inflation cause inequality of wealth, loss to creditor and salary people, as well as social unrest. Next, causes of excess demand. There are the deficit financing, printing the extra currency notes. Second, increase in private consumption expenditure. Third, increase in autonomous investment expenditure. Next question, explain the concept of inflationary gap with the help of diagram. The inflationary gap referred to the gap by which the actual aggregate demand exceeds aggregate supply at the level of full employment. When in economic aggregate demand is more than the level of the output of full employment, then excess or gap is called inflationary gap. Alternative, it is the amount by which the actual aggregate demand exceeds the level of aggregate demand required to establish the full employment equilibrium. So inflationary gap is measure of excess demand. The gap is called inflationary gap because it causes rise in general price level. And remember, in such a situation, an increase in demand means only an increase in price, as output cannot rise because the factor are already fully employed with the same technology. As you can see in the figure, the situation of dispute here, the point E lying on the 45-degree line is the full employment equilibrium point. This is a ideal situation because aggregate demand represented by EM is equal to full employment level of output, that is aggregate supply, represented by OM. Suppose the actual aggregate demand is for a level of output BM which is greater than the full employment level of output EM. Thus, the difference between the two EM, that is BM minus EM, which is measure the inflationary gap or excess demand. In short, we can say that inflationary gap is the amount by which the aggregate demand exceeds the aggregate demand required to establish the full employment equilibrium. And the measure to control situation of excess demand, in this the situation can be rectified by reducing the aggregate demand by a amount equal to inflationary gap. And the two most important measures that control excess demand are fiscal policy and monetary policy. Thank you.